Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to install LAMP server on Ubuntu 16, which forms the base environment for most of the web applications. Let's start. First of all, we will see the distro and its version that we are using here. It's Ubuntu 16.04. Now first of all we will run the apt-get update. Now we will install the Apache web server. Followed by MySQL. It should prompt for the root password for MySQL. Yes. So let's put in the password, repeat it again. Now we will be installing PHP. Before installing PHP, first let's confirm the version of PHP that we'll be getting through the default repositories. So as you can see, it is PHP 7. So let's install this. Along with this we need to install two packages to enable its working with Apache and MySQL. You can see libapache 2 mod PHP and PHP MySQL. Now let's see if the ports are up or not. So as you can see, this is the MySQL port and this is the Apache port, that is 80. We should be able to check. Yep, it is up and running. Now let's install PHP-MyAdmin. Which is a tool to access the MySQL database graphically. Copy the link. Let's put it in the Apache public folder. Now as the file is in zip format, so we need to install unzip to extract the contents. Now let's unzip PHP-MyAdmin. Now we should be able to access the PHP-MyAdmin. Okay. Actually, we didn't restart the Apache after installing the PHP and its modules, so it is a must. We can access it using the credential that we put earlier, so it is working fine. Now let's create a PHP info page to see the modules and other things related to PHP. So it is quite handy to know various informations regarding the PHP installation that we did. Now let's rename the PHP-MyAdmin folder, which will be convenient for us to use, and delete the zip file. So you can see that the PHP-MyAdmin should now open. Like this. So this is how to install LAMP on Ubuntu 16.04. Thanks for watching, guys.